Tot. El nostre ambaixador dels Estats Units, el senyor Alan Solomon, vos envia la seva felicitació per les festes de Sant Joan i el seu agraïment personal per l'oportunitat de celebrar aquí aquest acte d'homenatge a l'almirant Farragut. Buenos días a todos, distinguidos autoridades invitados. El embajador de los Estados Unidos les manda a todos los ciudadanos de Ciutadella y de la isla de Menorca su felicitación para las fiestas de San Juan y su agradecimiento personal por habernos invitado a celebrar aquí este acto de homenaje al almirante Farragut. Good morning to our distinguished guests. Our ambassador, Alan Solomon, sends his warmest regards to the people of Ciutadella on occasion of their San Juan celebrations, and thanks them once again for inviting us to celebrate this special tribute to Admiral Farragut. Our flags, our national anthems, our very presence on this beach echo the welcome that Admiral Farragut received in 1867. On his European command tour, he was received as a hero and a friend by presidents, by kings, and by the people of Ciutadella. His vision of a close working relationship between the United States and its allies embarked the U.S. Navy on its mission of partnership today. Last month, I had the honor to be on the USS Bush, and standing there amid the technological and ecological advances, the most beautiful sight was the Juan de Bourbon sailing right along our side. It never left us, sailing together into the future. I venture to suggest that Admiral Farragut is still commanding the longest-running, most successful security mission. A mission that took each and every one of us out of our offices, out of our embassies, off our ships today, and brought us here together to celebrate this special act. Our presence, our flags on this bay underscore the importance our nations place on that ongoing partnership that is the Menorca mission. I invite each of you to take home and hold this vision of Memorial Day in your memory and celebrate its success together after almost 150 years. Les invito a todos y cada uno de ustedes a guardar la visión de este día memorial en su memoria y celebrarlo juntamente a lo largo del día de hoy, nuestro partenariado después de 150 años. Muchas gracias. Thank you very much.